Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail dessert. First, combine bread flour, semolina flour, salt, and a touch of sugar to create your pastry dough. Knead this mixture until it becomes smooth and firm, then allow it to rest for at least 2 hours. Next, roll the dough incredibly thin using a pasta machine, aiming for paper-like transparency to achieve those signature flaky layers. Finally, brush the entire surface with melted butter or lard and roll it tightly into a compact log. Now, let's prepare the delicious creamy filling. Begin by cooking 1/4 cup of semolina flour with 1 cup of milk until it thickens into a smooth, pudding-like consistency. It's crucial to let this semolina mixture cool completely. Once cool, combine it with 1 cup of ricotta cheese and 1/4 cup of sugar. Finally, stir in 1 large beaten egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest for that perfect balance of sweetness and tang. With your dough and filling ready, it's time for assembly. Take the chilled dough log from the refrigerator and slice it into 1/2 inch thick rounds, which should give you about 16 to 20 pieces. Gently flatten each round from the center outwards, then carefully shape it into a cone. Now, pipe a generous amount of your creamy ricotta filling into each pastry cone. Finally, carefully pinch and seal the edges of the dough to securely enclose the delicious filling. The final step is baking these delightful treats. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and carefully arrange your filled pastries, ensuring they have enough space. Bake them for about 15 to 25 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully flaky. Allow them to cool slightly on a rack, then dust generously with powdered sugar for a perfect, sweet finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.